channel. My name is BeeScrap and I want to make today with you together an unboxing video. I have here a kit from Scrap Queen and she made a giveaway and I won one of 5 of these kits and I'm so happy. The funny thing is that I bought 1 or 2 days before she announced the winner of these kits inside this paper collection, what is also included here inside of these box. And I will show you the paper pack. It is this one. This is her own paper design by Scrap Queen, Love Addiction. She made these papers by herself, and this is one full paper pack that includes 48 sheets, 12 double-sided, 4 sheets each, and this is a 180 gram A4 size, European A4 size. And I will show you these beautiful papers before we go here in this box. I am so excited. We have here on the back side a cutout sheet with some really cute images, and then we have here some border strips. On the back side we have here these flowery ornaments. Here we have some cards. On the back side, stripes. Yes. This is also very, very pretty. On the back side, stripes. I love stripes. These are a sheet with some cutout tags. On the back side we have this one, and here we have some feathers. On the back side some polka dots. Another sheet for some cutouts, tags and some sentiments, some stamps. On the back side, stripes. This one has also some feathers on, really pretty colors. On the back side we have here these check print. This is with some sentiments on. On the back side we have here these flowery design in gray, and here in this color, and again these sentiments in gray. And now the papers turns more into a beige and a blush or pink. On the back side is this one. Again some dots, and here the owl is so pretty. Look at this. This is so pretty. I bought these paper pack only for this print. It's so gorgeous. Here we have some hearts, and on the back side stripes, and then this repeats. So these are the paper pack, and I bought not only one, no, I bought 2 paper packs. I'm always have the fear that I am running out of papers. In this case I will run out of papers. I have enough. She made a beautiful explosion box album. I will give you the link under this video, and she made the box with a light gray cardstock. And I found here from, this is from Florence. It's called Clematis Wassen Creative Florence cardstock, 260 gram. These beautiful color, and I think this matches perfectly here with these beautiful papers. So these will be the cardstock for the album. And now the unboxing, the kit. There is everything inside. Only the cardstock for the album is not included, and I am so excited. I never won anything. This is the first time, and I am very lucky. Scrap Queen made gorgeous kits. The quality is always amazing. So, and there is everything inside you need for her project. Only, like I said, the cardstock. And here is the card from her. We have here from Little Birdie some handmade flowers, cute little flowers. Hopefully you can see this and it's not too blurry. So cute. And we have here a bag with some ribbons, matches to the paper collection. And we have a bag with some flowers. And here is a bag with some pearls and some brads, charms I see in there. Again, some little flowers with crystals on. Pretty, really pretty. So this is included, of course, the paper pack. So now I have 3. We have a welcome note. As always, here you can see, just a second, I will open this. This is her welcome note. Comes always with the kit. Here you can see the box, and there are some measurements for the boxes, but normally you don't need these measurements, because in her tutorials she explained everything very good and you don't need this. So a welcome note. We have a clear sheet. Then we have tie back. And this is some, this is wrapping paper, I think. Yes, this is wrapping paper. Some glittery papers for the boxes. So I will put this bag inside of here. What I will do is using all these materials from the kit, but I don't want to copy her box album. I want to do something different. I think something very romantic and with some laces and some border trims and some dies. Everything who matches perfectly with this paper collection. And as you can see, I have enough papers. I'm happy. I'm a happy girl. So this will be one of my next projects. First I have to finish my secret project. I still can tell you nothing about it. So, but this is not all. I need space, just a second. I have more papers. On New Year, I gave myself a challenge not to buy any papers until July. I think it was 2 weeks later in January, the postman rang the first time on my door and bring me some new papers. So, challenge accepted, but I failed totally. So I will put this aside. I bought some papers. An older collection from Stamperia. This is this one. Alchemy from Stamperia. I have here 2 packs of the 12 by 12 and 2 packs of the 8 by 8. I have some die cuts and some extra things I bought in a local online store here in Germany. And here are some postcards who matches with the theme of the alchemist. This is amazing. For the cover, maybe amazing. So they will find her places in the album. These are some cards, and I have also here these, what is this? I think it is to open your post, your letters, but you can put this also as a decorative element in an album, this one. And I have, so cute, here, this one. This is a dragon, and there is a bowl on it. And this will be pretty, maybe on the spine on the album, I don't know. I have this. If you like, we can open one of the paper packs and go through all these papers. So, I love the smell from fresh paper. So here on the inside we have a sheet with numbers. I like this. As always, some cards and cutouts. Here, this is, how to call this? A clock, maybe a sun clock. This one is in black. And I think I will make a really grungy album, and who knows, I don't know. I will do a combination, an album and a junk journal. And I will make this with fake leather and with a little bit mixed media on the cover. I have some ideas, and I hope this will be work everything together. So I like the colors, I like the papers, the prints are very pretty. Here again we have some owls, I love owls. Some tags, and again we have here the sheet with the numbers. More tags and some cutouts. Really pretty. This is the next project, or maybe the next, I don't know. And the other paper I have is from Stamperia, Casa, Granada. I saw this paper and I immediately fell in love with these papers. I have the background selection. I have 2 paper packs from the 12 by 12. I always buy 2 papers, so I don't have to choose which side, A or B side, I want to use from the paper collection. So I have always all the images in one full sheet. Makes my life easier. I have 1 8 by 8. I have here some extra sheets with the cards. And I have an extra sheet with the tags. And on the back side we have these beautiful roses. And I have also from this paper collection the die cuts, and I have some molds. I like the Stamperia molds, they are high quality, and these are some plates, and I have here these, how to call this, I don't know. In Germany it's a Kachel, so you put this on your wall in the kitchen. I have this one, and I have here the things from the kitchen, the spoon, and yeah, sugar, coffee, salt. This one, and oh, look at this. Here, I have the 6 by 6 also. It was hiding under the molds. And I have at least this one with the sentiment, eat, drink, love, home sweet home, drinks, specials, cookies, bon appetit, menu, desserts, best chief, my kitchen. So I will do maybe a recipe album with a box and some of these sentiments on top of the box as a little mixed media collage. And for the papers I will use my Clairefontaine 160 gram in red. This one will be, of course, with some black papers, this with the red paper, and my beautiful other papers with these lilac, or how does they call this? I forget. Clematis. So, with this one. So now I have the problem, which one will be the next. Will it be this one, the love addiction, the Casa Granada with the red paper, or The Alchemy with black papers. Maybe you can give me a suggestion which one I will do next. I don't know. I have for all of these 3 papers many ideas, and my head is running and going wild, and I can't sleep at night. I build the pages in my head and I have some visions for all these things. Yeah, and they go and mix everything together. So I think I need some help. Which paper will be the next project? So leave me a comment under the video if you want and help me to decide which one of these papers will be the next one. Thank you for this and see you on the next video. Bye bye.